Yeah, that's right. Walk away.
Come on. What you got? Do you want some? I don't think you do. Come on. That's right. You better run. Come on. No one wants me. Come on. Stop it! Here.
Stop! What's up? This is Brian, and I'm just making a random video. So yeah. Let's go mess with Buggy. So Buggy, how you doing? That's good. Well, apparently Buggy is too tired to talk. Hold on, you know what? There's that problem fixed. Tabby? What's up, girl? Whoa. No, stop. No. Hand five. Give me a hand five. Good girl. Oh, there's Gracie. Scared the crap out of me. Whoa. God, stop! Okay, well anyway, yeah. I gotta go. Peace out.